In the year that KitKat changed its recipe, adding extra milk and cocoa, it was necessary to show to all brand consumers that the recipe changed, but the delicious flavor of our chocolate did not. To prove this, it was necessary to put the novelty in everyone's mouth, literally. The challenge was to make a year-long sampling activation to impact as many people as possible. However, for a brand like KitKat, give and take was not enough. It was necessary to create sampling breaks that would elevate the brand experience. So, the extraordinary KitKat vending machines were born. 5 innovative, highly technological machines that have reinvented the vending machine concept, challenging our fans and leaving them with a delightful smile, inside and out. The thinking machine, the machine that gave you KitKat just by thinking about it. The challenging machine that turned KitKat into a possible mission. The questioning machine, where each fan could choose how to make his preferred break. The hacking machine, that showed how KitKat fans like to be challenged. The walking machine, the last machine which nobody needed to go after. Quite the opposite, actually. Activated at universities, music festivals, gaming events, or at various young people's day-to-day locations, these machines distributed thousands of these new chocolates. A campaign that exceeded all expectations, with 3.5 million views and more than 100,000 interactions. But more importantly, it increased KitKat's market share to 26.7%, further enhancing the leadership of the brand. In the end, everyone smiled. A new recipe with extra milk and extra cocoa resulted in an extraordinary campaign.